Hello, lovely math learners. Today we're doing 25% of 75, and Anna is going to tell us how she did it. So Anna, let's first write out 25%. So 25 per, so this word means 25 per 100, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I have this, and it shows me the orange ones are 25, and then in total, I have 100.
Mm-hmm.
So this is what 25 per 100 looks like.
Okay.
But
we're doing 75, right?
Yeah, so how do you want to do this?
I want to do 25% of 50 first.
Oh, okay, so I could just cut this in half, right? So let's go ahead and do that so that we can see what 25% of 50 is. Okay, so I'm going to cut this right in half. So I have 50 and 50, right? Okay, so there is 50 here and 50 here. So what's 25% of 50 then?
12.5.
Okay, so
here's 10 and here's 2.5.
Oh, so here's 5, 10, and then there's 5 halves. So that gives you 12.5. Okay, so we're going to say 12.5. That's 25% of 50.
Now I have to do 25% of 25. Okay. Or half of 12.5.
Oh, okay, so I see. So you're going to take this one, and you're going to take half of this one to get the 75. Okay, so let's just cut this one in half then. Can you hold this one for me?
Sure.
Thank you. Okay, so yours, where you have 12.5, and this one gives you 75. Because there's 25 here, right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to take this and just put it away.
Okay.
Because there's 100, and now when I take this away, there's only 75. So we know there's 12.5 here, but how many is here?
Half of that. And half of 12 is 6, and half of 0.5 is 2.5.
So do you think of this in terms of money? So this was like, originally we had like $100. Then half of that we had $12.50.
And then now, if this is $6, if I split the 12, and if I split the 50 cents, it's 25 cents.
Okay, so $6.25. Okay, let's make sure, because we have 1, 2.5, right? Plus 2.5 in the second row, plus this is half, so half 20. Plus half, which gives us 6. And then this little quarter here, right there, which is that 0.25. So how much do we have in total then, Anna, of the orange ones?
Well, $12.50 plus $6.25 is $18.75.
Okay, let's just show them this, because that was really quick. So $12.50 plus $6.25 gives you how much?
$18.75.
So $18. So 12 plus 6 is 18. And then 50 cents plus 25 cents is
75 cents.
Okay, great. All right, so 25% of 75 is $18.75, and those are the orange ones. Great job, Anna.
Thanks. Bye, everyone.
Hello, Louis here to tell us how he's going to do 25% of 75.
Yeah.
Okay, Louis, how are you going to do this?
Can we think of it as 4 equal groups?
Oh, so you're going to go 75 divided by 4.
Yeah.
Now, maybe we can show people why that is, because 25% of like 100 is just 25, right? Or if people want to think about 25% of $1. It's just 25 cents,
Mhm.
which is a quarter, right?
Yeah.
There's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so 25% is just 1.
Yeah.
So let's see what we can do here. Okay, we're going to start off with 75 things. So check this out. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then I've got a half here.
Yeah.
And I've got 10 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I've got 75 in total here, right?
Mm-hmm.
I've got 75 up till this line here, or 70, sorry, all without the halves. And then by splitting that 10 in half, I get 5 more.
Yeah.
Okay, so you want to split this into 4.
Yeah.
Right? Shall we first start by splitting it in half?
Sure.
Okay, so what's 75 divided by 2? So 75 divided by 2. I'm going to show you what it looks like on here. So I just split this into 2.
37.5.
37.5. Okay, so let's see here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We've got 5 of them, so there's your 35.
Mm-hmm.
And then you have 36, 37, 37 and a half.
Oh, yeah.
It's only a little half here.
Yeah.
Okay, so 75 divided by 2 is 37.5.
5.
Okay, but that's only 2 equal groups, right?
Mm-hmm.
We need to split this again.
Yeah.
Okay, so what's 37 and a half divided by 2?
37.5.
So it'll look something. I'm going to just cut this one as well.
Oh. Well, if we'd be thinking of this in money,
Yeah.
then it would be $15. I mean, $18 and 25 cents.
So let's see. So this is what it looks like here, right?
Mm-hmm.
But each 2 of these were 37.50. You said, right? You want to think of it in terms of money. So what's 37.50 divided by 2? Now you said, what did you say? It's 15.
Yeah, and then
What'd you do? You split this into 30 and 750? So
Yeah.
30 divided by 2 is 15.
yeah.
And 750 divided by 2.
Well, I know that 7 divided by 2 is 3.5.
Okay.
Like $3.50.
Okay.
But then we have to split 50 cents, which that's 25 cents.
Okay. So what is that in total then, Lily?
That is $18.75.
$18.75.
Yeah.
So it's basically how many are in each one of these groups. Now I'm just going to replace this so that we can really see with ones that are orange.
Okay.
Okay. And let's just make sure. So there is 7.5 here. So 7.5
Yeah.
plus 7.5 would give you your 15.
Yeah.
And then 2, so up to here would give you 16, 17, 18, 18.50, and then a little quarter.
Yeah.
Perfect, Lily. I love it. Great job.
Thank you.